Hey fam, I know it's been some months since I've tapped in with y'all, but today's video is my soft return. I had to come back to y'all with hair content first while summer is still here, but we will be catching up. I hope this video finds you all well. I am doing much better, and I have been switching this hair up left and right. So let's get into today's transformation. I'll be taking down my spring twist, then giving you my honest review on Olive Oil's product line for braiders called the Braidzone. While finally rushing to install these body wave miracle knots for my beach birthday, we got to review this body wave texture by YWIGS. I know, a lot to cover, so let's get into it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel on behalf of Brit. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Brittany, and today's video is a hair transformation video. I currently have in spring twists. Spring twists were cute. I'll be watching me do a takedown on those, and then I'm going to be transforming into body wave miracle knots. I've done so many miracle knots, have not recorded any videos, so I decided that I would record myself today doing my method on the way I do miracle knots, and this is my first time ever doing miracle knots with body wave hair. So I'm curious to work with these bundles and see what I can come up with this style. It has been months since I've uploaded. I tried to be transparent about my health condition, come out earlier this year and talk to y'all about all of the scary things I had going on behind the scenes. And I thought I would be able to take y'all with me and continue to vlog as I was getting through a tough season in my life, but the health stuff just continued to spiral out of control, and I really just needed to focus on treatment and getting well. So now that I'm feeling a lot better, I'm gonna roll out the content. I've been vlogging nonstop. I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and upload the hair content first because it's the peak of summer. A lot of people are looking for what to do with their hair for vacation, pool, beach, whatever you have going on in this heat. And I wanted y'all to see I'm also using a new product line. I've used a couple of products from this line and fell in love, so I decided to buy the entire line of products and use it to do my hair. So that's also something y'all will see in this video: a hair takedown, wash, blow dry, and then using new products to do a brand new style. So if you're interested in seeing me transform my hair, stay tuned. For those of y'all who connected with me on this platform due to endometriosis, uterine fibroids, painful periods, any of the things that we may have in common health-wise, all of the health videos I will release as well. I've been vlogging through my surgery, pre-op, post-op, how I prepared for my myomectomy, how recovery has been. I show my scars, my healing, what I'm doing to remain healthy so that I can stay consistent. Let's get into hair things today, and we'll catch up soon on all of the other stuff. Before I take my hair down today, I do want to grease my scalp, so I'm going to do that first. I use Blue Magic, but this is the Indian hemp one. I really like this one. Herbal hair and scalp conditioner is made with green tea leaf oil, aloe, and safflower, and I just like the way it feels on my scalp, as my hair is very flaky, and sometimes when I'm taking my hair down, when it gets towards the end, it gets real itchy, real irritated, and real flaky. I'm not trying to have that icky dandruff snow, I get so filthy. Also, when I put grease on my hair, it makes it easier for the protective style just to slide out and prevent dandruff being everywhere. So let's grease up real quick.
Yeah. Ice. Yo. Benicia on the beach, shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking of trying me, do like Bryson. Pussy ass nigga and don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need? Some head. Shorty keep asking the date. She trying to finesse Poly Market for bread. Where's the beef? It's cooked. Where's the boy? He's booked. Don't even recognize none of these things at the top of the charts. I look. Am I upset? A bit. That's when you drop. Well, shit. I did press play on that hoe. Mid, skip. Or should I take a trip? Who should I take? His bitch. Tennis lessons with a Nike skirt on and an ass popping out. You're sick. Where's the goat? They need one. The mirror's right here. I see one. My nigga don't know how to pay me back.
The takedown took no time. I ended up getting it done in a little over an hour. Then I washed, detangled, blow dried my hair with some leave-in. I moisturized it, and my arms were tired after this. The bundles arrived the same night as the takedown, but I didn't get started until the next day. The bundles come from YWIGS, of course. This is where I get all of my bundles for Miracle Knots. They're my #1 vendor for Miracle Knots and boho hair because they have very affordable human hair, and it comes quick. I order my hair through Amazon, but you can get it through TikTok Shop or the YWIGS website. The hair is very soft to touch, and they never disappoint with the quality of the hair. When you shop with them, you'll have several curl patterns and colors to choose from: body wave, deep wave, straight, kinky, curly. Today I'm using body wave, and you get 50 strands per bundle. I ended up starting with 3 bundles. I don't know why I thought 3 bundles would achieve the look that I wanted. By the end of the video, you'll see I ended up with 4 bundles. And because body wave can tend to be a little more flat than other curl patterns, if you want it super full, I suggest 5 or 6 bundles. When doing Miracle Knots, you have the option to braid your natural hair down without weave or with weave. I like to use weave to braid my hair down. I'll explain why later. So I ended up ordering pre-stretched, pre-rinsed hair from this vendor that I'm showing you now. But unfortunately, I couldn't use this hair. It was very poor quality, like Barbie doll hair. I know the moment I put it in my hair, my scalp would have been on fire. So I ended up repackaging it and sending it back to Amazon. And luckily, as a braider, I always keep hair in the stash. So I went into my handy dandy stash and pulled out my hair color. I ended up having to cut the hair to the desired length that I wanted, but that was fine. The pre-stretched hair that I originally ordered came in the length that I wanted, but I was able to get this hair exactly how I needed it to install it. And you'll see step by step with the hair coming soon. But first, let me introduce the star of the show today, which is Braidzone by Olive Oil, the product line that I'll be using to do my Miracle Knots. This first product is the edge and braiding gel, which in fact can be used to do your edges and braids. This was the first product I tried from this line over a year ago. I randomly grabbed it in the hair store, and it was a really good product. I got a lot of compliments from my clients on the way it smelled. The key ingredients are lavender, acai berries, biotin, and botana. This is the foam. It is to be used to set and lay down braids, to eliminate flyaways, and deliver a lasting style. Please try this foam. If you don't try anything else in this line, it smells so good. It has a good lather. You won't be disappointed. This is a second product from this line that I tried last year. This is the rest of it. I used it a couple times to do dry shampoos for clients when they would come for touch-ups. It is a hair and scalp cleansing rinse formulated to instantly refresh braids, locks, twists, and hair under wigs while promoting healthy hair. The oil sheen moisturizes, strengthens, and nourishes dry hair and scalp while adding a natural shine. The Braid Leave-In Spray is the newest product in this line, and it delivers lightweight, multi-benefit care that hydrates, refreshes, and protects braided styles. This is their nutrient-infused serum for braids, locks, twists, and under wigs and weaves to soothe and condition dry, flaky scalps while adding moisture, and I need this. My scalp gets so flaky. I told y'all about that in the beginning of this video, so this is the one I was most excited about. It is super early the next morning, and let's go ahead and get started on this hair, y'all. I'm setting up the first phase of my hair, which is parting and installing the mini knotless braids y'all will see me do, which is like the base or the foundation for this style. And I just have to get the parts right because I did them pretty big, and yeah, it's just important that when you do big blocks that you get precise parts. So I tried to do the best I could, and I hung my little tri-mirror, y'all. This is a lifesaver for parting your own hair. It's hard to see in the back, but this mirror helps you catch everything. If you've done your doom scroll or research anywhere on TikTok about Miracle Knots, you'll hear a lot of slander or just Miracle Knots getting a lot of backlash about the way it broke off people's hair or how horrible the takedown was. And to prevent all of that, I never braid my client's hair or my hair down for any foundation of a style without adding just a little bit of braiding hair. I measured out the perfect amount of pre-stretched braiding hair, and I got it to my desired length because with Miracle Knots, you want more curls than braid. You definitely want a thin braid. You don't want it too thick because the ultimate goal is to make that braid disappear. When you start feeding in or crocheting in your pieces of your Miracle Knot hair from the bundle, you want it to give bundles. You barely want the braids to be seen. So although I'm adding in here, I'm making sure not to make my braid super thick so that it can be hidden inside of the hair once I start crocheting it in. Adding braiding hair is an extra way to secure your hair, especially if you have a 4C hair texture like myself. You don't want naps and curls coming out of your braids eventually when you get them wet, go swimming. You don't want your hair to show at all. So to protect it the best, you just add in the braiding hair. It only takes a few more minutes extra than it would to plait your own hair down. And also it just makes it easier for the takedown. It might sometimes cause a little tugging to get that thread, to get that miracle knot piece out of your hair, but you're not tugging your hair. You're not adding that extra tension to your hair. With the added braiding hair, your hair is protected. So that's why I like to add braiding hair, and I'm in the bathroom just doing those steps.
So when life is lit, but I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that.
And once I'm done with the parting phase, phase 2 is feeding in the miracle knot pieces at the ends of every braid. I just go in and take every plait and add the miracle knot hair to the bottom of each one.
All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking of trying me, do like Bryson, pussy ass nigga. Don't.
I use a little bit of product to braid it in. This braiding gel is very lightweight, but it holds a strong smell. That botana oil, that lavender, that acai, you definitely smell all 3 fragrances.
They go to my dad. Haven't decided just yet. Yeah. 40 was such a bad.
And once every individual plait has a piece of hair at the bottom, I go in and start crocheting pieces throughout the top and the middle. My goal was to make sure every braid had at least 3 or 4 pieces in it, but due to the fact that I only had 3 bundles, I kind of had to space it out. And this is when I start to realize a 4th bundle will be needed. I ended up stopping at some point and ordering a 4th bundle for it to come in a day or 2 because I just knew, look, that my braids were not going to disappear with the amount of hair that I had left. And the goal is to make sure those braids disappear. It was filling up, but just not as much as I would have liked it to. This is now a day or 2 later. Once that 4th bundle came in, I'm in the bathroom now about to add it in. And this is how it looks with just 3 bundles. It looks okay, but I definitely wanted that 4th bundle in ASAP. This is what it's giving in a ponytail, and I just wanted my ponytail a little fuller. So here is the 4th bundle. It took 2 days to come, 50 strands, and in the process of me waiting for it to get here, I went and got my birthday nails done. It's giving rockstar lifestyle, might not make it. Yeah, my nail tech is the truth, love him. Yeah, we're gonna get this 4th bundle in my head, can't get it in fast enough. And it still did not fill these braids up, but it worked for me. I was only planning to have this style in for 2 weeks, so I just didn't stress over ordering a 5th bundle and waiting 2 more days. We just had to work with it, so yeah, let's get these pieces in and I'm gonna show y'all the difference. This is how the hair looks with the 4th bundle, and I was satisfied, but again, I would have overly loved it with 5. This is the 3, this is 4. So yeah, get you 5 or 6 when you do this style, just because 6 bundles will fully hide the braids like they should, give miracle knots, give sew-in tees. But yeah, this is 4, and it just was gonna have to do. After planning my hair for 30 minutes, it was time to moisturize my scalp. I wanted to use the fertilizing serum, the one I told y'all I was so excited to get. So I go through every row and I drench my scalp in this oil, and it loved it. Then I go in with the Braid leave-in conditioner spray, and this product I personally believe is perfect for boho hair. Any type of curl pattern, you spray it on there and it's going to define that curl. Yeah, spray this leave-in on your boho hair and it is going to define the curls. It's a good detangler. For my boho pieces, because they were body wave, you don't get much of a deep curl out of it. Body wave is just going to be a loose wave, but it was perfect for the beach, perfect for the pool, perfect for what I needed it for my very relaxed beach birthday. It was a very low maintenance style. You can simply pull that bonnet off, run your hands through this hair with a little product, and you keep it moving. Some nights I would braid it down like you see here. I'm pulling it out of the bonnet after having it braided down for 2 nights. I moisturized it with the oil sheen to just add a little shine to it. But the braids were braided down with this foam. And yeah, once I unraveled them, it gave the hair a little extra texture. And I loved it. Love these miracle knots. Will be reusing the hair. Thank you so much for watching this hair transformation. I love you all and see you in my upcoming videos.